The house. So nice. Even my tita thought it was a hotel. One day I was just looking for Tahoe. The next thing I know, my tita is calling me architect because I found the most social house in Marikina. Mga kabahay, this isn't just a house. This is what happens when a Bahay Kubo drinks collagen, goes to Bali, and finishes an architecture degree. Introducing the modern glass house sa Rancho Estate Subdivision, Marikina. Cut to a stressed-out character holding a flyer. Alam niyo yung feeling na every house tour mo parang haunted house tour? Sira ang pinto, wala pang CR sa taas, tapos may bonus only tambay sa labas. Yung isa sabi ng agent, minimalist! Pero ang totoo, minimal ang tiles. Naghanap ka ng dream home, pero ang nahanap mo, bangungot with down payment. Pero ito na, I saw it sa wakas. May bahay na hindi lang pang TikTok aesthetics, kundi pang pamilya, pang relatives, pati pang pets. My tita literally walked in and said, "Anak, may buffet ba dito?" But parang hotel lobby? Yung kapitbahay nag-doorbell, akala nila may open house na wedding venue. Ladies and gents, the modern glass house is the definition of bawi lahat ng luha sa past house viewings. And located sa flood-free Rancho Estate Subdivision, Marikina City. 2-story homes na may 3 bedrooms na may sariling TNB. Tuloy-tuloy ang shower thoughts. B. Aircon-ready rooms para hindi mainit ang ulo ni nanay. Modular kitchen na may kitchen island, pang MasterChef vibes. Maid's room with TNB, hindi na sila kawawa. Tiled 2-car garage, hindi na ipit si daddy sa gate. Plus, may clubhouse, playground, lighted park, basketball and tennis courts, and CCTV plus 24/7 roving security. Di ka lang safe secured ang kapugian ng bahay mo. Sa 17.7 million may bahay ka ng social, secured, at social ulit kasi inuulit ko glass house po ito. Hindi glass ng ketchup ha, glass na social. Plus, pwede via spot cash or bank financing. So kahit di ka pa ready, baka si bank ready na para sa'yo. Call mo na si Kuya Ate sa 0947-543-6668, Viber, WhatsApp, SMS. Libre ang site viewing. Pero warning lang pag nakita mo to, baka hindi ka na bumalik sa bahay nyo. Hurry, only 2 units available. Baka maunahan ka ng tita mo. Or worse, ng ex mo na gusto rin pala ng glass house. Modern glass. House because your dream home shouldn't look like a mystery horror set.